Hi, my name is Lennert and welcome to your first IDRONECT OS Academy video. I will guide you through the IDRONECT OS Academy. Thank you for choosing IDRONECT OS. In this course, I will teach you all about how IDRONECT OS works and how you can make a difference. It is very important that you understand the IDRONECT OS platform in its best possible way. Knowing how to use IDRONECT OS allows your drone business to save days of time each project. IDRONECT OS does the administrative heavy lifting while your drone business grows. From quote to invoice, managing and streamlining all projects and processes, flight planning, safety management, equipment, and people, IDRONECT OS replaces more than a dozen applications with one easy to use platform. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at info@idronect.com or via our WhatsApp on +32 467 09 3695. At the end of this course, after passing a few tests, there will be a final exam and you will receive an official IDRONECT OS certificate. So without further ado, let's get started.